What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we are hanging out in Arizona along the Colorado River.
And we found that a local delicacy in Arizona is a bacon-wrapped hot dog that originated in Sonora, Mexico.
So today we are making you a Sonoran hot dog.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone. When we found this recipe and we heard that it involved wrapping hot dogs in bacon, we were pretty much in from the start. So that is the first step of this meal here. I'm going to wrap our hot dogs in a strip of original cut bacon. I'm not doing thick cut or anything. All right, we've got our griddle set to medium heat. We're just gonna get these hot dogs in the bacon. I'm going to put that loose end down so it cooks first.
I think bacon on the Blackstone is probably my most absolute favorite thing.
I think we should just start wrapping everything.
Yeah, maybe we should, because I'm like, this is so simple. Why did we not think of this sooner?
All right, as the bacon cooks, we're just going to rotate it slowly. The goal will be some nice crispy bacon on the outside of our hot dogs.
We have been hanging out along the Colorado River, right on the border of Arizona and California. So we've been paddleboarding and kayaking and just really enjoying the beauty of the Colorado. It's actually really clear, which is very nice.
All right, now that our hot dogs are almost done, I'm going to flip them to the last side and move them back a little bit. And we are going to use this beautiful rendered bacon fat to saute some of our onions in. We've got some fresh hot dog buns from the bakery, and for Sonoran hot dogs, you don't toast the buns, you steam the buns. So I threw them on our warming rack here. I'm going to put them under a dome and hit them with a little steam. All right, our buns are steamed, nice and warm and hot. So the next step before we assemble everything is to put some mayo on the buns. Now we're going to put our bacon dogs in our buns. These are looking really, really good. And we're going to put some sautéed onions right on top. Now we add our toppings, and the traditional Sonoran dog has tomatoes. I guess this is like adding really fresh ketchup. If you've been watching our show for any length of time, you know we like it hot, so we've also got some jalapeños here to put on top. Add some nice color, contrast those tomatoes and onions.
As you can see here, we're modifying a little bit for Cade, and we're gonna modify a little bit for me because I am not a fan of mustard, but I will just add extra mayo to mine. Oh, look at that.
Are we ready to try the Sonoran hot dogs?
Yes, they look good. Great job. I mean, the way that the bacon on the hot dog cooked, I thought that looked
fantastic.
awesome.
I don't think I can eat a not bacon wrapped hot dog anymore.
From now on.
That's so good.
It's really good.
Thank you guys for watching once again. We hope you give this recipe a try and comment below what you think of it. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone, griddles, accessories, and more. And make sure that if you are on YouTube, click the subscribe button and also ring that bell to make sure you don't miss any of the great videos.
From Nate, CJ, Ty, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.